The Quest Pro controllers are now available and can be used with the Quest 2. But are they worth upgrading to? Well, let's get them unboxed and see. When I first saw the box for these, it reminded me of my family's living room growing up in the late 80s and early 90s. The pictures we had on our walls and the throw pillows on our couch were totally these colors. They were all the rage back then, but man, do they look kind of terrible now. For what is supposed to be a premium product, this does not leave a very good first impression to me. Crappy color scheme aside, on the front of the box we have a picture of a pair of controllers and the charging dock. Turning to the next side, we have the I just threw up in my mouth a little bit. I hate that name. Subscribe! Here on this side of the box, we have the company logo utilizing the same amazingly tacky color scheme. Continuing to the back of the box is a bunch of writing that most people will never take the time to read, no matter what language it's written in. And then on this side of the box is a list of what all's inside. And on the top and bottom, we have a beautiful brown cardboard aesthetic. At first glance, I thought opening the box was going to be super easy because it has these little pull tab things with an arrow to show you how to tear them off. And in practice, they worked so remarkably well, I decided to let my box cutter finish the job simply because I just couldn't stand the look of disappointment on his little face. Look at him. It just breaks your heart, doesn't it? With the adhesive strips now cut, we can slide the cover right off. Hold on a second. Now we can slide the cover right off. Dang it. Here we go, third time's the charm, and that's good enough. Upon opening the box, we get our first look at the Quest Pro controllers, and I like what I'm seeing. They really do look great. They are noticeably heavier than the standard Quest 2 controllers, which does give them a more premium feel, but at the same time, these are devices you're going to be holding in your hands for a couple of hours at a time, most likely, so being heavier may not necessarily be a good thing. Under the controllers, we have our charging dock and the power adapter, which uses USB-C, by the way. In this little box is a USB-C cable that plugs into the dock and can be used for charging your Quest 2 headset. As for the charging dock, it comes with a 1 meter long cable, which terminates with a USB Type-C plug. The last things in the box is the obligatory safety and warranty information, a quick start guide, and then these stylus tips, which you can install in place of your wrist straps so you can use the controllers as a ridiculously oversized writing instrument in certain apps that support that functionality. Don't worry, I did check under this last portion to make sure that was everything, and it was. Okay, now it's time to peel off these stickers, get them synced up with our Quest 2 headsets, and see if they're worth their $300 asking price. Pairing the Pro controllers with the Quest 2 is fairly simple, and if you click on this video right up over here, it'll show you how it's done.